Good morning. We have a situation in Sacramento. Our blockbuster movie screen up there has some broken D-rings. It also sags in the middle and it just needs to be replaced. So when we went up to Oregon to close down for the winter, we brought this screen back. We need to refold it, check the surface, get this up to Sacramento. We also have one of our airtight air screens that is leaking, which needs to be fixed before tomorrow. And they also need Hocus Pocus, which is a movie that we're getting licensing for one of our clients up there as well, which we have 4 copies in the Bay and nothing in Sacramento. So we got to get to Sacramento. We're going to check this screen out. We're going to re-roll that screen and we're going to do that right now. It's a little dirty and I don't really want to have to wash it before I go up there. So I'm going to see if I have any new screens available that we can put on it. What do we have here? This is a 12 by 7, 13 clips by 9. What else do we have? 21 clips by 13. That was a golf ball. 21 by 30. Ooh. I've forgotten what my count was, but that may be a brand new screen. All right, so this is a 21 by 13. I don't remember what my count up the side was, so we're gonna have to check that out, but I think this is the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. So right here we have our new bags. So these are going to last a little bit longer than the tops, but I had to draw a picture and I'll show you real quick. I drew a really bad picture of the screen and the size on the bag, but hopefully this is going to make it a lot easier. It was previously in that big old top and now it's got its own design bag. Thank you Bob at Outdoor Movies for the additional bags. So 2 more things we need to do is get Hocus Pocus, which I'll do right now, and then we need to get the stuff for fixing the screen. So let's look for that right now. Hocus Pocus. We'll take this one. We'll take this one. It's brand new and sealed. Front seat. And that last thing I need to do is get the punch repair kit, which I think I know where it is. So there's 2. We have the stuff that they send is the tear aid, and this stuff works pretty good if it's if it's not too big a patch. But if it's a larger hole, we'll definitely need something a little more industrial. Oh, by the way, never use flex tape. Never use flex tape on your screens. Just don't do it. It may fix it right away, but it leaves this just nasty sticky residue and like nothing will get it off. So stay away from flex tape. Screen repair, batteries, XLR, spare mics, screen repair kit. Let's have a look. All right, so within the screen repair kit, you should have the vinyl cement. I got a couple of those. It's a little empty, but these are actually the patches. So if it's a bigger rip, you're gonna cut it out with these guys and then stick it on with that. If it's a smaller hole, you can use one of the two different tear aids right there. So we'll take this with us. We'll have to make sure we bring it back. I don't see any scissors in the kit. It's pretty hard to just put on a patch without the scissors. So let's make sure we get some of those. And then I'm going to need to add that to my list to get some more of the HH66 cement. Make sure you have good scissors. Those little cheap ones that we use for the popcorn machines. It's not going to cut it. I better check my list now to make sure I got everything. I think it was just the 3 things. $26 to sec, Hocus Pocus, and black. 21 black backing I don't think I have, so I'm going to cross that out, but I've got the repair kit as well. Perfect. All right, so I got those things. I just need to load up here and now get on the road. Oh my gosh. I nearly forgot. I have QSC subs and I had a sub break the other day and I'm not gonna get it fixed before my event, which is tomorrow. So my side quest, I gotta try and find a new sub to buy for tomorrow's event, and then I can get this off to San Francisco to the guy who fixes my speakers. But gonna have to jump online, look for probably a Guitar Center that has my sub in stock. Fingers crossed. Let's get this stuff loaded. We are finally on the road. We are on our way to Sacramento via Concord Guitar Center because we do need to pick up that subwoofer, so we do have that side quest. Side quest complete. You have to be kidding me. It's raining. That's not helpful when I've got to fix the screen. The screen needs to be dry when you put the patches on. So hopefully it'll be dry where we're going. In Sacramento. First thing I'm dropping off is Hocus Pocus. I'll put that right up there. And then that is the 20-foot screen right now. The top needs to be refolded. I need to switch that out. So normally the leaks are where it folds on the corner bits. So I'm going to lay it and inflate it, maybe on its front, and see if that's where the leak is. Okay, so let's get the old one off, and we're going to do this quickly because it's raining. It's going to cause us a lot of issues. Oh, that's quite a hole right there. All of this horrible icky stuff. Okay, we've cleaned it up. We nearly need some Gooby Gone. body over it to stop the wind getting. Try and put the fabric one over the top of that to give us a little bit of extra thickness. I've never tried this before, so maybe it'll work. And I think that's going to help us out quite a bit. And if this patch doesn't work, what we'll do is next time we'll have to do a full-on patch. I could have probably done that today, but with the rain, that probably wasn't the best idea. Okay, perfect. We are done. Because of the inclement weather, we did not fully inflate the screen. Afterwards, I left it on its back for a little while. Just to make sure, ooh, we need to get skinnier. Just to make sure that we fix the issue. We had one old patch that was leaking, that was getting reworn, so we double patched that. And then I added a patch to the bottom. There was one area that did look like it could go, so we got all of that done. And in the back, right there, you see the old movie screen. That, oh my gosh, that is a well-traveled screen. That screen lived actually, I got it in Sacramento when I got Sacramento from my friend Henry, and that was 8 years ago. So it's been here, it's been in Oregon, it's been back to Sacramento, and it'll go back to the Bay. We'll see what we can do with it. See if we can actually make it a little bit better, a little bit more structurally sound, see if we can fix some of the hooks. But that's a project. That's winter pool problems, not end of the season pool problems. So they've got a new screen here, brand new surface on it, great D-ring, so it's ready for events right now. And I'm going back to San Leandro. See ya.